Hi, this is Joe, and I'm excited to show you our Reyee product line. Today, we're going to go over the diagnostic functions, as well as how to deploy firmware updates on devices.
Select the project. Under Basic, select Diagnose. Click OK. The Diagnose function will check the connection between the access point of the gateway, your internet connection, as well as the client's experience. The Diagnose function will check your WAN port cable, your routing configuration, your next hop connection, and much more. We're going to select our project. Under Basic, select AI Diagnostics. The project will check for exceeded rate or session limits, DHCP pools running low on addresses, IP address conflicts, multiple DHCP servers, and more. To perform AI diagnostics, we're going to select the project. Then we're going to click on AI Diagnostics and click Start. The project will check for exceeded rate or session limits, DHCP pools running low on addresses, IP address conflicts, multiple DHCP servers, and more. We're going to select our project. Under Basic, select Update. From here, we can see that there's an upgrade for our gateway. We're going to hit Update. The phone app is going to give us a status bar. The application will give us a confirmation that the update is completed successfully. To upgrade devices in our project, we'll go into Devices, checkmark the device, and select Upgrade. After selecting Upgrade, the next page will give us options for Scheduled Upgrade and Max Attempts. We're going to click Start Upgrade. After hitting Start Upgrade, the firmware will deploy on the device. We can check the status of the upgrade by clicking on Logs and then Upgrade Logs. This will tell us the target version that we're deploying, the status, and the time that the firmware update started.